Today, we're learning how to add and customize a vignette effect to elevate the cinematic feel of your videos. Let's jump in. Start by selecting the clip you want to enhance and head over to the effects library in the edit page. Search for the vignette effect under Open Effects. Drag and drop it directly onto your clip in the timeline. With the effect applied, click on the clip to bring up the inspector panel. In the Open Effects settings, you'll see all the options to tweak your vignette. You can adjust the size to control how large or small the vignette appears. Use the sliders to set it perfectly around your subject. Next, modify the softness to feather the edges, ensuring a smooth and natural transition into the darkened areas. If you want to add a creative twist, use the color settings to change the vignette's tone. This is great if you're going for a warm, vintage look or even a bold, creative style. Preview your changes by playing through your timeline and fine tune the settings until you're satisfied. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've mastered the vignette effect in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick and easy editing tips.